This is Chief Meteorologist Temperature Loss from this Saturday with the update on more on these developing storms that has put out some torrential rain, some hail, and even some damaging winds. But so far here in the Midlands, we have not seen any severe weather here, even though a few storms look like they could have been severe, but yes, the National Weather Service in Columbia did not put them out to be severe here. But we do have locally heavy storms here. We can see one is south of Columbia here to around south of Hawkins here around I-26 sit towards Calhoun County. This storm is gradually moving at the east at about 5 miles per hour and possibly could be stationary here. It's producing some hail here. We've seen some reports of ping pong size hail here. So that's enough to cause some damage here. We have a cluster of storms here west of Columbia, west of Lexington here. It's continued to move and drifting west at about 5 to 10 miles per hour. So this has a little bit more better movement, but still is moving very slow here. This is causing some heavy rain too here. We also have some here south and east of Clarendon County into Winsburg County, all the way down into Charleston area, bringing us back into Ardrey County. These are some locally heavy storms here. We did have some flood advisories going to the low country here, but it has continued to stay in the low country here. I would not be surprised to see some areas in the Midlands get under some kind of flood warnings or anything like that, because we are seeing some locally heavy rain, these storms here. So far in my house in Clarendon County, there is not no storms, but won't be surprised if some develop. That's a quick update of your storms. So the time now is 4:14. Have a rest of your good Saturday.